Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Culinary Passion Palette Stories. I'm here with you today to share with you something very easy which can be made in just about 10 to 15 minutes. So what is it? We'll know, but before that, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon that you see below. So what is it that I'm going to show you today? I'm going to show you how to make garlic chutney. Garlic chutney in two simple ways. So, without wasting too much of time, let's get cooking.
Hey, there we are. So let's continue to make the lasun or garlic chutney. So quickly let's get to know what the ingredients are. This is 1 cup of dry coconut or copra. Here I've taken just 1/2 of the dry copra. 3 to 4 garlic pods, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, salt as per taste, very little bit of sugar as per taste, and then a little bit of chili powder as per how much spicy you want to make your chutney. So now I'll quickly take the mixer and add in all the ingredients. Remember that you do not have to add in water for this chutney. This is going to be a dry chutney which you can store for about 15 to 20 days. Jeera, I'll add in about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of sugar, and a small teaspoon of chili powder. So here this could be half a teaspoon, and just in case you want to make it a little more spicier, you can add in a little bit more. So now we'll have to grind these ingredients. Okay, ta-da! There we are. This is how the chutney looks once it is grinded well in the mixer. So this is a very easy recipe for lasun chutney. Enjoy!
Hi everyone, now we're back to make the second lasun chutney. Now this is slightly different from what we had done earlier. So let's get to know how do we do it. Firstly, I've taken a kadai. Just quickly light up the gas. And once it heats up a little bit, what we would do here is add in about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now in this chutney we are adding oil so that this is something similar to how we make a pickle, but this is a fried. Now that I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, what we need to do is here I've taken 1 big onion sliced. I'm going to add it to the oil that is heated. Fry the onions till it's about transparent, nicely fried. Once the onions are nicely browned, what we need to do over here is that then add the garlic. If you can see, I've not made a paste of the garlic. It's just roughly smashed. So this is how you need to keep the garlic. Over here I've taken about 20 garlic pods. Once the onions are fried, they're slightly transparent, I'll go ahead and add the garlic, the roughly smashed garlic. Over here, make a note that you need to just fry the garlic till you get a nice aroma. Make sure you do not burn it, just in case if you feel that the mixture is kind of turning brown, just lower the gas and continue to fry. You need to fry this mixture till the raw smell or the raw. Here we need to add chili powder as per how spicy you want to keep this chutney. So what I will do over here is that I'll add in about small 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Small teaspoon, 2 of them. I want to keep it a little mildly spicy. I don't intend to make it too very spicy, so that everybody in the family can have it. Though I'm a little fond of spicy food, but I don't want the others to suffer, so I'll just keep it mildly spicy. Now that I've added the chili powder, add salt as per taste. So if you see, this is kind of made in a similar way of instant pickle, but here we are not adding any mustard oil. It's just made in a very simple way, which can be immediately had with little bit of dal chawal, dal rice or dal khichdi. Any simple food that you intend to have, just mix a little bit of this chutney and you're sorted. I'd leave the masala to fry in a little bit. Now that this is nicely fried along with the salt and chili powder, I've got water here. Just add in two to 3 tablespoons of water. Just stir the mixture. And just allow it to boil just once, so that the rawness of the mixture and the spices is all gone. I don't intend to dry the mixture completely, but I just want to keep it a little mushy. So just stir it. Now I don't get the raw smell of the chili powder. It's nicely fried, and of course it's become nice and mushy. That's it. There you go. Your garlic chutney is ready. You can have this chutney with, like I said earlier, with dal chawal ki khichdi, or parathas, aloo ke parathe, gobi ke parathe. You can have this chutney with anything at all, and it's absolutely amazing. The shelf life of this is about 10 to 15 days. If you do not want this to get spoiled very quickly, when not in use, keep this in the refrigerator. Enjoy this and do let me know your comments. I'm all ears. Bye-bye.